Guys, in this video we will see how to increase font size on your Google Chrome web browser. If you want to increase font size and you are facing very too small size of your Google Chrome browser font, then here are the process. Open Chrome browser in your system, either Windows 11 or 10. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and click on settings. Thereafter, click on three horizontal lines from the top left corner and here go to appearance. Click on it and here scroll down and go to the font section. Here you will see font size, medium, recommended. If you want to increase it, then five options available: very small, small, medium, recommended, large, very large. Choose as per your choice. However, Google Chrome is recommended medium font size. You may also customize font. Simply click on customize font and page zoom option also available here. Here font size you may increase here. Drag the slider from left to right or right to left to decrease. Minimum font size also available here. A standard font types you can also choose here, and various other feature you can easily customize your Google Chrome browser font. You can also zoom page zoom also available here, and various percent you can change it, either 150%, 175% as per your requirement from here. For example, 150%, and you can see font size automatically change. So from where you can easily customize or change font size of your Google Chrome browser on your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's